Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a really cool Hot Wheels set that we're going to be unboxing, but we got the case right here. And before we get into that, I do want to point out I do still have a giveaway going on right now for this Hot Wheel RLC custom fleet side. That's a pretty cool RLC car that I'm giving away. So if you use the link in the description down below, hop onto my merch store. You guys can go on there. I have a bunch of different Hot Wheels for sale, a bunch of mainline, premium, monster trucks, as well as a bunch of Hot Wheel RLC and collector cars. And some of these might even be on my website as well. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. Once you go on and make a purchase, you guys get automatically entered into this giveaway. I also do have some other car-related products on there as well, so definitely check it out. But let's go ahead and get into this case unboxing. And as you can see, it's a kind of like a small case. It is for the Vintage Racing series, I believe is what it's called. So let's go ahead and cut this open. And we go ahead and flip it up on its side here and cut right across that. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open this. I don't know how they're like sitting in there. So there's a piece of cardboard on top. I guess it goes on the side as well. And let's just flip it up on its side because I think they're sideways in here. And let's just go ahead and reach in and pull them out one by one. Alright, so we have this 1971 Lamborghini Miura SV. I'm not going to be opening these up, or at least not in this video. If I get some that are damaged, I might consider it, but I think that looks absolutely amazing. Got the, what's that? Vintage Racing Club, so that's like the name of the set, but that looks really awesome. And there should be duplicates of some in here, so that one kind of came out already. So I have another Lamborghini Miura. Let's see, and another one, okay. And all of these, for some reason, they pack them in the cases where they're kind of like, the cards are curved. So there's not really too many in there, and I don't know why it's like that. So now let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we got the 1954 Mercedes Benz 300 SL, and I really like that. I'm a huge fan of Mercedes, and this casting looks awesome. I really like those new wheels that they started using, and I don't know if... So this one does look like it's a metal top and metal bottom. So that's really awesome. I'm actually curious to see how that would do on the 6-lane raceway. If I do get a damaged one of these, or even like the Lamborghini, if I find those in the store, or if one is damaged in this case, I would actually be really happy to be able to open those. So I'm kind of looking forward to, but kind of hoping that none are damaged. But if there are, then I can at least make the best out of it. Okay, so next up we have a 1971 Porsche 911. That looks really cool as well. And also it kind of has like that new style of wheels. And then this one looks like it does have... Can't really tell if it's a metal or plastic bottom, but it still looks really, really good. I really like that. And there's 6 cars in this whole set, and there is like a... It's kind of like a chase car, but not an official chase car. Because there's 6 cars, there's obviously 1 through 5 that are kind of more common, and then the 6 of 6 car is not guaranteed in every case. So it's kind of like a chase car, acts in the same kind of way, where you're probably not going to get it. They're going to be very hard to find. So hopefully I get one. We have another Porsche 911, which is looking really good. Let's see what else. Okay, so we have the BMW 2002, and that looks really cool. Get the old school look, and I really like those like stripes on it. Those look really good there, and I kind of like that. And then let's see, it has like the same wheels as the Porsche 911. Let's see what else. We have another BMW 2002. All right, we got 2 more cars in the case, and we got 2 more cars that we could get, so hopefully we get both of those. Alright, so we have the 1955 Corvette. That one looks really, really cool. I really like the stripes in that as well. It has that kind of tan interior, and it looks really, really good. Man, I really like that. And then those little fins on the back end, like where the taillights would be, it looks really cool. And just the attention to detail on this. It also has a full metal bottom as well, so that is such a cool car. But let's go ahead, reach in, pull out the final car, and let's see if we have a complete set, because I really hope we do. And nope, we got another BMW 2002. So that is actually, I mean, it's kind of unfortunate that I got 5 of the 6 cars, and I did get like a whole case of these brand new. So I'm actually glad I did still get some of these because they're pretty awesome. 3 Lamborghinis, 3 BMWs, 2 Porsches, 1 Corvette, 1 Mercedes, and it's a, let me see, it's a 1967 Camaro is the one that I am missing. So it is a kind of like a bright red Camaro. I think it would look really cool. If you guys are curious, those are all the cars. And right here, actually, yeah, right on this side is that Camaro. I'm really hoping I can find one in the stores because then I can at least have a complete set. All these cars are really awesome, but it is a little disappointing not being able to complete this set. But at the end of the day, it is still a pretty cool set. Got some really awesome cars. And you never know, I could probably go to Walmart later or go somewhere else wherever they have Hot Wheels, and I could probably pick up that final car. But put down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. Honestly, I really want to add maybe like the Lamborghini, the Porsche, the Corvette, and actually maybe the Mercedes, maybe all of them. I kind of love all of these so much. So honestly, I might at some point, if I can find more of these, I'll probably open them up, have them on the Hot Wheels 6-lane Raceway, be able to have those a part of the collection, make some awesome videos. I mean, I got a bunch of cars right here for the 6-lane Raceway. I have a whole wall of them, and every single day I do YouTube shorts with Hot Wheel races. So definitely hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all those. Also, like I said, go ahead, hop on my merch store. You guys can get entered into this giveaway. And I actually might have, like, let's say, like some of the duplicates. I'll probably have these on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, definitely go on, link in the description down below. Go check it out. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.